We've created a mobile vehicle barrier that is actually kind of like a Lego set that can be pieced together. No one piece weighs more than 47 pounds. We can go from 5 feet to infinity, and we can pretty much stop any vehicle that you would run into it. It was originally designed because we had a tragedy in our home state of a woman careening into a parade. She went through some plastic barriers, and we didn't understand why a strong portable barrier didn't exist. The barrier works by taking the vehicle's force and throwing it into the ground. So when the car hits it, it takes that forward movement and it jacks it into the ground. It can go on any surface, asphalt, concrete, gravel. That takes no special equipment to move it. Then our product can be hit numerous times, crashed into, and dusted off and put it right back up. 20 feet of it can be set up in a matter of about 5 minutes by 3 able-bodied people. If they needed to quickly block off a road, set up a secure perimeter that a vehicle might penetrate. This has been a great event. We've made a lot of contacts. We're able to get a lot of our questions answered, met a lot of subject matter experts that gave us some valuable feedback. It is not an SBIR product yet. We do hope to submit for the next cycle.